Problem 3. Lynn has a summer reading assignment. After reading the first 30 pages of the book, she plans to read 40 pages each day until she finishes. Lynn makes a graph, shown here, to track how many total pages she'll read over the next few days. Okay, take a look at the graph. The y-axis is the number of pages read, and the x-axis is the number of days. Okay, easy enough. And the question asks, find the point where the line crosses the vertical axis. What does that point tell you about the situation? Okay, so here it is. This is the point where the line of the graph crosses the vertical axis. This is also called the y-intercept, and this is so important. I'm going to write it down, and you need this in your notes. The y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. What does that tell you? It's the starting value, like where you're starting at in this relationship. Let me write it for you, and you should write this too. The y-intercept is the starting value. I think I spelled value wrong. Is it like that? I hope your spelling is better than mine. In this situation, it means she has already read 40 pages because the y-intercept is 40. It means she has already read 40 pages of the book at the start of her reading plan. Okay, but you know what? That's not what she said. She said she's already read 30 pages. Strange. Keep going. After day 1, Lynn reaches page 70, which matches the point 170 she made on her graph. Okay, let's check that out. Is that right? So after 1 day, she has read 70 pages, and it matches the point on her graph. Okay. After day 4, Lynn reaches page 190, which does not match the point 160 she made on her graph. So after day 4, Lynn reaches page 190. Let's see, here is day 4. Page 190. Oops, that's off the graph. But anyway, she knows that that's a problem because her graph shows 160. Sketch a line showing Lynn's original plan on the axis. Okay, well, Lynn's original plan, and let me change colors so it can stand out against my other marks. So in blue, it says after reading the first 30 pages of the book, she plans to read 40 pages each day until she finishes. Excuse me. I should turn off the ceiling fan. I'm getting a little cold with my air conditioning on. Anyway, she has already read 30 pages, so that's going to be the y-intercept. She's not starting at 40, she starts at 30 pages. And it says she plans to read 40 pages per day. So every day, she should increase by 40. So on day 1, it should be 30 plus 40, which is 70 pages. That makes sense. On day 2, it should be 70 plus 40, which is 110 pages, right here. Lynn's not good at math. She might be good at reading, but she's not good at graphing. On day 3, it'll be 40 more pages. So from 110 up to 150. This is what her graph should look like. And I'd like you to draw that line too. It's much steeper than she originally put.